So welcome back guys. Good news for those who want to purchase the Redmi Note 5 Pro and they are not able to buy Redmi Note 5 Pro because of the flash sale, and people are trying to buy Redmi Note 5 Pro from 11 sale. Still they are not able to buy because lots of people trying to buy the Redmi Note 5 Pro and phone gets out of stock within a few seconds from the sale. In this video I will tell you how you can pre-order your Redmi Note 5 Pro. So before we start, my name is Aman and you are watching Android Power. So let's get right into it. So there are two ways to pre-order your Note 5 Pro. The one is from the Mi Store app and the another one is from mi.in. So first I am telling you from the Mi Store app. So just go to the Play Store and install Mi Store app and open the app and create your account. And you can see the Note 5 Pro pre-order banner on your home screen. Just click on that and it will redirect you to this. And as you can see, it's written here pre-order on 13th April by 12 PM. So just select your variant. In my case I want to buy 64GB and 4GB RAM model, and select the color that you want to buy and click on notify me, and it says we will notify you when the product is in stock. On 13th April 11:59 AM you will get the option to buy your Redmi Note 5 Pro, and you can pre-order your Redmi Note 5 Pro from here. Just fastly click to buy and proceed to pay and place the order, and you will get 1 hour to make your payment through your debit, credit and UPI cards. So this is a golden chance for those who have not bought the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And one thing to remember guys, you will not get the cash on delivery option by this. So you can make payments through your debit, credit and UPI payments. And now I will tell you the PC method. Just follow my steps. So just go to your browser and go to Google, then search for mi.com. And if you open the mi.com, it will look like this. And here you can see the banner of Redmi Note 5 Pro, and then click on pre-order. And when you click on pre-order guys, it will redirect you to this. So just select your variant. In my case I want to buy 64GB and 4GB RAM model, then click on the color. So just select black color. If you want another you can select that and click on notify. And when you click on that, they said we will notify you when the device is in stock. So on April 13th at 11:59 AM you will get the option to buy a Redmi Note 5 Pro. Just click on buy option and click on proceed to pay fastly. Then you will get time of 1 hour to make your payments online. You can use your credit, debit, so you can make payments through your UPI. And if you are from lucky persons, you will get the delivery in 2 or 3 days. And if you are not that much lucky, but still you don't have to worry, you already pre-ordered your Redmi Note 5 Pro and you will get the delivery in few days. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is AK and I am signing off. Bye bye.